Welcome back everyone, and this is your quick and effective 15 minutes full body workout. This session is low impact and very beginners friendly combination of body weight exercises and exercises with a light weight. I will guide you through them so all together we can have safe and effective workout. Now take a look at your first exercise demo. We begin with a simple shoulders rotations. 4 to the front and 4 reverse base. On the position team, and let's begin. And while we're doing this quick and effective warm up for the shoulders, reverse it team, I'm gonna give you a quick heads up what to expect from this workout session. As I said, and reverse it, this workout is low impact through and through, all 12 exercises. Let's reverse it again. And it's very beginners friendly. Whether you're coming back after the injury or you never worked out before, this workout is definitely for you. Give me just a few more circles back and forth. And today we're working on a 60 seconds timers with a 15 seconds breaks in between. If you have to pause the video and take a little bit longer breaks to drink your water, please do that. Let's do one more. And one more to the opposite direction. Excellent. Last one. That was very good. I can definitely feel my shoulders. Take a look, guys, at the next exercise demo. This is your simple knee lift with overhead arm raise. If you have ongoing shoulders injuries, then replace the arms overhead just up to the 90 degrees. Don't bring them higher than right next to your shoulders. Keep on moving. Try to follow along. Of course, if you have to slow down, definitely do, and then try to catch up on a pace as well. To get the best of any workout, we must focus team on the form. And not only that, especially when we're working with the weights, and especially in the future, when you will be able to do more challenging workouts with the healthy weights, the good form and good alignment will help you to prevent possible injuries. Keep on working. Keep those arms super strong and extended. Very nice team. Last one. That was also challenging for the arms. Your next exercise, your air squat. We're going to warm up and wake up our legs and actually work them 60 seconds. It's a good time for the squats. Hold those arms with me all the way up front throughout these 60 seconds, or you can put them anywhere else if your arms getting very, very tired. But try to stick through with me. About alignment in this exercise, it's very important that you squat away from the toes. We need to transfer our body weight away from our knees. And especially when you move to more toward challenging workouts and working with the weights, it's very easy to forget about simple rule. Body weight away from the toes, team. Away from the toes. Keep those arms engaged and strong. By itself, it's already making a huge difference. Toning those arms. Give me one more, final one. You got this. From now on, we're ready to pick up our dumbbells. I'm using 3-pound set, but you can guys definitely use much lighter weights. We're getting ready for the single arm raise. Begin your work. All the way. Just like this. What's really important in this exercise? Let's discuss the alignments. Your feet, hips width apart or slightly wider. We make sure that we constantly control our abs and our back. We keep our abs strong and engaged. That will protect your back. Your elbows are soft and extended, and make sure that your elbow, your wrist, and your shoulder on one level on the top position. Very good now. Again, if you need to slow down right now, please do. If you need to grab a lighter weights, downgrade for the lighter weights. Again, I'm working with a 3 pounds dumbbells today, which is definitely a challenging weight for the beginner. One more, guys. Beautiful. Now drink your water if you need to. Stay hydrated, of course. And this is your split squat, guys. I'm going to turn around so you can see my form. It's not really far away, step back. Just about a foot or maybe slightly less. We're working just our legs right now. The principle is the same here. I want you to make sure that you do not set your body weight on your knees. Even though we're working with the light weights today. Just like that. Here you are, guys. After this one, we're gonna move back to the upper body so we can give our lower body a little break. Not too far, guys. So it's definitely less step back than you would do for your reverse lunge, which we're also going to be practicing today. Keep the chest up and lifted. Breathe, guys. This is it. Just a couple more steps. This is perfect. Take a look at your next exercise demo, guys. This is your half bicep curl to lateral drive. Get ready. Your arm's gonna get on fire a little bit and all the way back down. So we stop at 90 degrees. We open up. We take it down. Let's make sure that our stance is really good and healthy. Feet hips width apart. We make sure we don't back bend. We stay nice and tall, chest above the hips. Most importantly, team, control those weights. Make sure you feel resistance through and through at each and every exercise. This is it. All the way. I got you. First, guys, inhalation through the nose. Exhalation through the mouth if you have to. Keep arms under control, guys. Keep those arms under control. And we have just a couple more repetitions together. The last one for you. Excellent. As I said, how we're going to be also doing our reverse lunges. Very similar to that split stance squat. We're just going to be stepping a little bit wider. Ready? Here we go. We're working just our legs. Reverse lunge can be challenging for the beginners due to requirement of the balance. So definitely, if you have to slow down, please do so. You need to brace the core, otherwise that's going to be challenging to hold the balance in general, no matter what exercise you are doing. Front knee, guys. Front knee behind your toes. Remember, front knee behind your toes. This is it. Focus on the form. Focus on execution and on the form. It is not easy to begin the fitness and wellness journey, fitness and wellness transformation, but I'm here to help you to do so. All right, guys, next one. How we're gonna work on a single arm, a bicep curl. My heart rate is actually pumping, and we're gonna go for overhead press. So 1, 2, 3, excellent. Up, press, rotate, and again. The fact that we do a little rotation, going to the overhead press, it's bringing even more challenge and effect, positive effect on your upper arms, on your bicep and on your tricep. Sculpting and toning those parts even faster. Keep on working. step by step, exercise by exercise, we're gonna get stronger together. And we have quite a few good quality, beginners friendly workouts in our 1,000+ workout library now. So definitely look for the beginner level fitness. And then once you feel stronger, I want you to try something a little bit more challenging. Last one, guys. Very good. Good job, guys. How we moving for the deadlift and only single arm fly today, so we can focus on a great form. Bend your knees, bend over. Give me the one arm, come on back. Down, slow, brace the core, come on back. Now on the way up, I want you to still keep your knees slightly bent, guys. I want you to still keep your knees slightly bent. Brace your core. And if you will notice when I come up, I don't come up all the way to the full stance, right? I'm gonna keep about 10% of the straight back. What it does, it's keep the resistance in your lower back and abs even more, so you can work your back even more deeper. Even with the light weights, believe it or not, you can get a really good quality back workout with the light weights. Finish strong, guys, one more. This is it, and we're ready for this one. From now on, we're going back to the ground. So put your dumbbells down and come up on your knees with me. We're ready for the shoulder stop. It's on the kneeling position, just like your plank. Strengthening your body. Later on, when we get stronger on those, I will definitely add a full plank for those. And we can also combine those with the tricep push-ups. But for now, we're gonna stick with the shoulder top. Make sure that you keep your back neutral. This is not your tabletop. It's more like a plank, but on the knees. Slow down on your tops if you have to. And we only have about 15 seconds to finish, team. You're doing really, really good. Make sure you finish workout strong. And definitely don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know you are here. Let me know you are a beginner. Jumpstarting your fitness journey. I'm here to help you. Last one, come on back. All right, team. Next one, we move into the stretches. Stretching is an essential part of human health. Ready? We go today for the very simple one, cat and cow. And if you are ready to try a little bit more stretching exercises, again, dig through our 1,000+ videos library. We have over 100 yoga practices for every level possible. Very challenging one for sure. Power yoga, just the flexibility training, and a lot of beginner-friendly stretches. Pilates and yoga is amazing for your body. And I don't want you, team, to miss out on it. Continue to move and try to express fully all the way through those stretches. Very good. And when you work these cat and cows on a faster pace, it definitely gets your back and shoulders. Last one. Very good. Come on down. So your final exercise for today, guys, is your lateral stretches. If your knee is sensitive, definitely put some extra pillow or extra cushion underneath those knees. Here we go. Just a good quality lateral stretches with me, guys. Working on our back, I want to touch on that before I will let you go, is very, very important. The health of your back, and I'm sure you know it, determines the overall health of your body. And then one more thing I definitely want to touch base on before I will let you go, especially for my beginners, that the diet and nutrition is one of the most important parts of your new health and wellness journey and transformation. So please reach out. Don't forget again to comment down below. Let me know you are here. Let know other people you are here, because we're here to support you. You are not alone. We all been through the start before. Last one. Very nice. And definitely join our Facebook group when we have a lot of support as a community. I do a lot of announcements over there, so don't miss out on that as well. It's absolutely free by invitation. So come on board so I can help you guys. Go ahead and slowly come back up. Step a little bit wider. Reach all the way. Let's dive in to the quality of the yes squat. One more time, inhalation. Exhalation. As always, I'm so proud of everyone. Rest well, recover well, and I will see you all tomorrow in my new video.